Hi, welcome back to Everyone Can Grill. Today Doug's going to show us how to do dessert. He's going to pull some pumpkin filling out, put it in puff pastry, and he's going to just rock this one. So stick around because pumpkin puff pastry is going to be good. All right, starting out this puff pastry, Doug's got these things and he's going to put parchment paper down first. Why are we doing that?
So we're going to put this down just so we make sure not to burn the bottom, because Papa don't play that. So these are going to go on here for probably about 450 on the grill right now. We're going to let them go for about 15 minutes and then take a look and see what they look like.
All right. Getting your money's worth out of this whole deal.
Yeah, got it on my shirt.
All right, we learned something tonight. You can't put parchment paper over direct coals. So we turned the one side off. We got the other side on high. Moved all these off the heat. And he's just now going to just swap out the parchment paper for the new ones. And we're going to see if we can't save this. Because right now, we're on a sausage gravy with biscuit wheels. And we're just going to see if we can't save the day. All right, we're going to check these out. Oh, look at that. They are puffing up.
Yeah,
these are going to work good.
Yeah, we're on the gravy train with biscuit wheels now.
That's right. We were in a pickle, but you pulled that one out.
I know. Papa don't play that.
All right, look at that. Doug has saved the day. Those look really good. Now, you're taking these off and going to cool them. And what do you have for the filling?
So the filling is a can of pumpkin, 1 can of pumpkin, about a 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and a little more than a 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
Oh, they smell good, Doug.
We have, I think, about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of salt.
Wow.
So we're going to put this in the cast iron to warm it up.
Oh, check that out. That looks good.
Oh, a little bit of butter too.
Okay.
So there's what we have.
And you're just going to scoop that in there and heat it up.
Scoop it in here. We're going to heat it up for probably about 15 minutes. And I'm going to move that over to the cooler side, because it called for heating this up on the stove at medium-low heat, 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll keep it on our cool side. We're about 320 degrees.
Like I said, man, if you can cook it in the house, you can cook it on the grill, one way or another.
Yep.
And those, they settled down a little bit, but they came out real good. They're nice and brown and everything. So you saved the day on that one.
Yeah, those look good.
And look at this, Northeast Ohio. The light's already going on us, so you're going to have to just deal with it being a little dark in this video, but it's going to be tasty. Oh, yeah. We're about 10 minutes into heating this up, and I think that's doing real well. I can't wait to try this. This is going to be good.
Yeah. All right, there it is.
Oh, nice.
Give one more stir.
All right, so this is nice and hot. We're going to pull this off the grill and bring it inside, and we'll put them together in there. All right, this is going to be almost like a pumpkin tart, huh?
Yeah, we'll move these up good here.
Oh, look at that.
Get our money's worth out of pumpkin filling.
I wish everybody had smell-o-vision for this one, because it does smell amazing. Very cool. I'll fill all those up, and then you're going to put the lid on them, and then whipped cream on top of that, or the other way around?
Yeah, maybe we'll put that lid on top, and then we'll put whipped cream on top of that.
That's cool. Very cool.
Emerson said it doesn't get any easier than that.
soon. Oh, look at that. And they say whipped cream makes everything healthier, right?
Right.
Wow. Well, if you wanted to do something off the wall for Thanksgiving, this would be a neat one to do for your friends. Because they're not going to last 5 seconds, I can guarantee you. Nice job.
Yummy.
It's crispy.
Oh, look at that. Puff pastry on a gas grill. It can be done. Boy, I'll tell you what, Doug hit a home run with these for sure. The only thing I would recommend is you make 3 or 4 times as many as we did, because they didn't last 5 seconds. And we also learned that you don't cook puff pastry directly over the gas. So if you shut one side off and push them over the other side, they'll do fine for you. So I'm Mark, and that was Doug. Now I want you to get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do, because everyone can grill.